Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 12th, 2022. I am here to talk about Ethereum today. I'm going to show you something that has completely changed the outlook of this particular cryptocurrency, all by looking at the price chart. Yes, you don't need anything else outside of price to understand where the market is trying to go, and I'm here to show you all that. So if you all appreciate my videos, my content, make sure before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. I want to make sure that you understand that this is not a complicated game, that it doesn't have to be complex. You don't have to use technical analysis. You don't have to implement and read a whole lot of articles and do your quote unquote due diligence just to figure out whether or not this is a particular buy or a sell. It's a market. Treat it like any other store. And when you go into the store, you guys don't go in and do your massive due diligence on every product that's available, do you? No, you don't. You go in, you know what you're coming for, and you get out. Well, the market here in the cryptocurrency realm is the same thing. You come in, if you think the price is on discount, you come in and buy it. And once the value increases, you sell it. That's it. And there's not a time period of when those things will happen. Sometimes it happens in a day. The market moves fast to where you're comfortable to take the profitability. And then at other times it takes months, years. It all depends on the overall market. So you got to pay attention to price. All right. So I did a video in Ethereum all the way back on April the 11th. You guys can see that the price prediction is still right there. I was looking for the market to go down. So for us to see price down 5.5% today, I can't say that we're surprised, right? Because we predicted that all the way back on April the 11th. Now, if you guys haven't seen that video, it's still available. All of my videos are still available to show you proof that you can actually do this on a consistent basis and win and be profitable. Take a look. It's right there in front of you. All right. So 25.13% right there. If anything, 35% if you were to get out the market right now. We'll be in profitability mode. Okay. Simple. Now, this changes everything though, because I've created these lines on the chart on my last video, and we've seen the price in Ethereum from this high, which was on April the 3rd. We've already seen 45% drop in value for this currency. Okay. That's where things change. We need to talk about the overall market trajectory in Ethereum, and it is one of a downtrend. Like, let's keep it real. Let's look at the chart for what it is. The market is not going to deceive us. It is the truth. It tells us what the majority of the market is trying to do. There's not a lot of buyers here. You guys can tell. This market in Ethereum is not finding buyers. And when you don't find buyers, market falls until it does. Right? So we're in a downtrend. Now, seeing that price in Ethereum already came down to $1,800. That's important. Look at this. We've seen the market in Ethereum already come down and hit that particular level 3 times already. First time was on May the 21st, 2021. Second time was on June 21st, 2021. Third time was June 26th, 2021. And then the fourth time was July 20th, 2021. So we're here. This is where the buyers came into the market in Ethereum. Just that simple. So now we need to think, what are the chances of us actually seeing the buyers hold $1,725 or $1,800? What are the chances? Because if so, we need to come in and start buying up this currency. Now, does it mean that it's a buy all the way up until $5,000? No, it doesn't. Right? We're breaking some very crucial prior areas of support. So yeah, we can see the market in Ethereum move up higher, but let's keep it real. How high can we really see it? 2,200? $2,400? Right? Could we see that? Yeah. But once the price hits that, you need to sell it. Like, this is not one of those, okay, I'm gonna buy it on the low and I'm gonna maintain it. I'm gonna hold it for the next 50 years because Ethereum is going to be a lot more expensive at that particular time. Yeah, it may, but there's no guarantee. Now I want you all to see this. Do you think the market ultimately is trying to hit this? Do you think price ultimately is trying to come down to this overall trend in Ethereum? This trend started back in March of 2020. I don't think many people are suspecting that right now, but for me, I am. I'm going to look to see, yeah, we can see price in Ethereum still fall, right? Another 45%. This is where we want price to come and hold trend, and we'll buy it right there. Okay. That's where the buyers would be. So let's go ahead and look at this on a couple of different time frames real quick. Let me get rid of this. And I'm going to zoom in on the chart. Anyone comes in to tell you that this market is a buy in Ethereum, obviously haven't been paying attention to the price chart. Okay. Now my only concern is that me producing a price prediction, it may seem as if I might be in a little bit early, because we've been in a downtrend. Like I said, we've already seen from that April time frame, the market value decreased 40%. So it's about time for us to get a little spurt, a little life come back into the market and begin to see higher prices. But that's going to confuse a lot of people, because then people are going to think that, man, now's the time for me to come in and buy, and I don't want to miss out on this move higher. That's where the FOMO is going to kick in again. Okay. So yeah, I mean, I get it. I can see that there are buyers trying to come to the market in Ethereum. They're seeing the price come down extremely low. We haven't seen this price level since July of last year. But we're here again today. And there's people here trying to buy up this currency. Yeah, you guys can see it right here on the monthly chart that price breaks $1,750, $1,800. Be prepared to see the market in Ethereum come all the way down to this level. I would say around $1,400, $1,500. It could go a lot lower than that as well too, to $1,300. Okay. So right now we're at a crossroads. I'm here to give it to you straight. We need to make sure that the buyers hold this level. They're trying to do it right now. You guys can see that we're currently trending up a little bit higher, but let's not get fooled. Let's not get tricked. I mean, restriction is at $2,200. Okay. That's the current area of restriction. So we can see the price in Ethereum go up to 2,200, but I'm more in line with around $2,400. Okay, that's where I'm at, and I'm going to continue to look for price in Ethereum to trend down. Now I'm not saying that we're going to continue to see a crash all the way back down to $1,000. No, I'm going to look for initially the price target is going to be around $1,750 to $1,800. That's my first price target for us to see price move. Okay, because like I told you earlier, we've already seen buyers come in and hold this level, so I'm looking for that again. Okay. And if I see it again, I'm taking the bag right there and leaving 12.5%. Outside of that, let's say that the buyers don't show up again at $1,750, $1,800. The next level will be here, $1,650. That's my second price target, $1,650. Gives us 17% movement to the downside. And then my third and final price target on this forecast package is around $1,500. All right. Now, like I said, we've seen the price in Ethereum fall 45% since last month. Don't be surprised if we begin to see the market try to elevate and try to go up. Don't be surprised. All right. Because it may seem as if I'm into the move too early, because we've already seen the market decline another 40%. And I'm still forecasting that the weakness is not done yet. So we can possibly see the market in Ethereum do this and continue to fall. All right. So just be prepared for that. All right. So I'm done. Now go ahead and tell me what do you all suspect that the price in Ethereum is about to do? Like I told you earlier in the video, like that's the advantage that you and I both have is to already be in position and wait for the market to actually get to the price level we're expecting it to get to in order for us to win. So I want to know, what do you all think? Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.